Daintree River over there.
Is that the Daintree River?
Yeah, so you can see, like, you can see the colour difference with the brown and the blue out to sea. Yeah, yeah. Someone said it's like a giant chocolate milkshake into the ocean. Cheers. The cassowary guys. This is the Major Botanical Walk. Here we are, Cape Tribulation. There you go. About to embark on this roll as a group. So that's why I'm doing this little video now by myself, just so you know what's going on.
We're in the rainforest.
A little stream. Are you pissing yourself?
No, it's fresh water. Or something.
Okay.
So yeah, this creek guys, just a good example to show you.
Big insect here, guys. Oh, this one's moving.
Eating away.
I'm waiting. That's a stick insect, I don't know the proper name other than stick. Yeah, I saw the other.
Yeah, but there were two.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see them. The orange things. Don't eat it. My cat must get the berries. It's poisonous berries. If you get stuck in the rainforest, then you're a bit screwed, mate. No berries.
Yeah, these are fan
Chomp
palms
on some
guys.
leaves.
Pretty nice. One of the photos of the day. You get a nice crop picture of one of those fans going through. Prints out about 500 copies about this big.
Take a
Write
picture
some
of
inspirational quote underneath it. Live, laugh, laugh. Dream, believe, achieve. Open market store at Port Douglas.
I like little umbrellas.
Just about pretty much every hotel you stay up here will have a picture of one of these.
Spider legs. Roots trying to get out so that they can breathe. So they're like spider legs. No big spider. What's it called? I can't remember. Who's with an A? Don't know. Yeah, I don't think it's arancini. Oh yeah, arachnid. Well done. You're in the rainforest. It's starting to rain. We don't have a coat, so getting a bit damp. It was fresh water, now salt water. Look out for the crocodiles, basically. think they have like a fake one that looks like that. Ever the sarcastic boy, aren't you, David? You've got to be, you know, happy when someone says something obvious.
So they like go up or down on the trees.
I thought they went like...
I thought they just kept going round and round forever, so they were clinically insane.
That's what I thought too. That's just it's all just a bit mental really, they all just do whatever they want. Watch out. Get excited, that tree.
Rubbing up against the
There's
other
people
tree.
about. That's a big fat vine wrapped around that. It's not a snake, it's a vine.
So you can see there's a distinct line again here, guys. So saltwater finishes and the rainforest just starts again.
The water, salt water. That was not a snake, it was a vine, by the way. Just in case anyone's worried.
It was literally hissing at me.
Blend in. Is the water gonna let me? Why?
Well, you heard Robert Irwin.
What?
3 to 5 metres away from the water now.
Oh yeah, there was a crocodile spotted here 3 weeks ago. We're at a place called Cape Tribulation, this beach, and it's pretty cool because the rainforest is right there. It's just in the middle of the rainforest really, isn't it?
Now the rainforest meets the beach is, I think, the only place in the world where two like protected heritage sites meet each other. You've got the Great Barrier Reef and the Daintree Rainforest, and it's starting to piss it down.
That's well cool though, isn't it?
Yeah.
And the Daintree Rainforest meeting here. We're also here, so that's pretty cool. And it's raining. This is just a little viewpoint that we've walked to. We're just down there on the beach. And then yeah, there's the rainforest. Very, very humid. Oh my goodness. And because it keeps raining, it's like I'm so sweaty, but it's pretty cool to be here. After this, I think we're gonna get some ice cream, but then that's kind of the end of the tour, I think. But it's been really cool, really interesting. And we saw some baby crocodiles. I've got a video of that, so I'll put it in after on the crocodile bit. So we've not seen any big crocodiles, but crocodiles live in this sea, as well as loads of jellyfish. So I thought that when we went on the beach and went near the water, and then Dave was like, "Emma, get away! Crocodiles literally live in this part." And it's just weird to think that there's crocodiles on the beach. You know what I mean? So yeah, you have to be. What's the word I'm looking for? Vigilant? Is that the word I'm looking for? I don't know. You've just got to be aware. And that's silly. So yeah, you don't go in this sea. Nobody swims in it because there's crocs and jellyfish. This is good. Go and stand in front. Do a bit of a spin or a jump.
wasn't filming that. Can we have another jumpy spin, please? Bob is your uncle.
There's really flowers in the rainforest, it's just trees and leaves and vines. I like it. But look at that, look how twirly that is. And the flavours are coconuts on the bottom. Mango. That's
Black suppose.
tastes like coffee.
No, black suppose and waffle seed.
Tastes like coffee. That one.
Tastes like that.
The brown one. I think the brown one's my least favourite. I like the seed one.
So last year, yeah, and we're going to fly back on tomorrow morning.
Really good.
Bronzy.
And the mango and coconut is really refreshing.
Please, no. Don't play the voice cover.
Gonna get copyrighted. Still believe. Hit me, baby, one more time. David just guessed that on Bandle or whatever it's called.
Yeah.
In not from that. That's obviously obvious. From the
Just the drums.
just the drums. Whoa, music genius right here. Oh, this is our room, by the way. I'll show it you for once before we actually, not instead of on like the last day when we leave. David guessed it from that. You're mental. How did you get that? Anyway, this is our room in Mad Monkeys in Cairns. David.
Monkey waterfront.
It's pretty small, but like it does the job. You know what I mean? Got a bed. It doesn't smell. We've got aircon. There's no windows in this room, so it is always dark, but you know, it does the job. And it's a lot nicer than the last place we stayed in, so that's good. And it's a great location. It's literally like you step out and you're on the main strip, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm just editing all the vlogs, all the Sydney vlogs, because I'm way far behind. So when what am I saying? You'll be getting an influx of vlogs, but you'll have already gone by the time this video's out. But yeah, you're gonna be seeing a lot of my face.
Really? Oh, I'm tired. Hello vlog. We are on the Skyrail on the way to Kuranda via a stopping somewhere.
I can't remember.
Well, I know we started in Smithfield. That's cool. It looks like a green screen, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Quite literally.
There's nobody in that one. You can't wait for anyone.
I don't think too many will be going down this early in the morning.
No, they'll get the train back. I imagine like we're doing. Yeah, so we're getting the Skyrail there, and we're in here for like. Did he say it takes like an hour? Because you like stop off at different places, and then
Yeah, I
we're
think
getting the train back.
Yeah, there's a
which
few.
is pretty cool.
There's a, I don't know if there's one stop,
Maybe.
but yeah, they recommended spend like 20 minutes at the stop, just on all around.
Yeah, but it's very warm in here. It's a bit like a sauna.
Yeah, a little bit.
So I'm a bit sweaty, but yeah, look at that view. Love it.
Cairns there. It's sort of just little suburbs.
And then the forest. Is this the rainforest?
This isn't the Daintree.
No.
It's a different, but it's all protected.
Yeah. That big tree has just got a claw out and claimed the other little tree beside it. Mad, it's just got his claw out and it's like, you're mine.
It's mad in the first place that a tree existed and then it just decided to grow round that tree and then just suffocate it to death. And then just decided that, yeah,
A tree grew
I'm
on
going to
top
take
of a
another
tree,
one.
and then it was like, right, I'm having a third. I'm having a second or whatever.
Yeah, it's come back to it. It's like an all-you-can-eat buffet for that tree.
Here you can see a lot of winding paths.
So we've got off the gondola,
Skyrail.
Skyrail, gondola, whatever,
Gondola,
whatever
whatever
it's
you want to call
called.
it. Yeah.
And there's now this little boardwalk, like in the rainforest, that you can walk around.
You can see it.
What?
The Skyrail.
Where?
That's that line down there.
I can't see a line.
What do you mean?
Oh yeah, I can see it. Oh yeah, there.
Yeah.
Sorry, it wasn't that obvious. So yeah, now we're having a little walk around the boardwalk, which is nice.
Those giant metal cables going
Yeah.
above the...
Do you want to take my picture?
Can do, yeah.
Thanks. Look at that. Wow. That's amazing, isn't it? You could stick your camera up the top. Like just the top part of your phone. Take a picture if you wanted. Picture of the rainforest.
Can't even say oops.
This is well cool. I love a gondola. Come there.
You can stick the gopes outside as well.
I did. I've done that. I might do it that way.
Look around, look at that. Big hill over there as well. It's nice as well, we're in the shade at the minute.
I know.
We're about to not be though.
There's a waterfall over there in the distance. And then there's just a big, I don't know what that is down there. Bit of a river.
Valley?
A valley.
Big mop.
Moppy mop.
Oh my word.
Okay, this is the waterfall it was on about.
Oh my. Oh, you turn right as well. Turn it down. Turn down like that.
Oh yeah. Whoa! That is well cool. insane. Oh yeah, that's why there's all the water down there. What an amazing view that is. Oh my goodness. We get to come and see it. It's pretty insane, isn't it?
Really cool.
Oh, there we go. Insane equal. One from me and one from you. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this valley. That has got to be like one of the most insane views I've ever seen. It's like we're in a mystical, magical princess fairy land. This is what it would look like.
이거 엄청 세지 좋아. 저 소리하고. 이거一天都是的，因为那个也快。
那你13年，那你是在出口的梅县人，跟阿里对吧？难维持啊。
10 minutes.
Three. Yeah, probably got about 5 minutes left before we get to Kuranda. Then we're gonna have a wander around.
我不对啊，没有进，
Yeah.
难道我得走
Like
丢
an
的？
hour and a half.
要么打了赌
Oh,
一
if
下
not more, yeah.
哦，伊拉在乘我去。
好像怎么
Oh,
看
more
到
than
啊？
that actually.
Like 3 hours then.
Oh yeah.
所以要等我导游那不要相信。
There you go. It's
已经到。
We've made it to Kuranda, guys. We're off the Skyrail now, and we've just been having a nice little wander around. There's loads of just little shops. A lot of them just have like touristy merch and stuff in. Oh, look at the cassowary. Come and look at the cassowary. But it's a very cute little place. I like it. This is a cassowary. We saw one of these yesterday on the Daintree Rainforest tour, crossing the road. Yeah, they're huge. But they are vital to the rainforest because they eat like the fruit off the trees, and then they deposit all the seeds from the fruits around the rainforest to help it continue growing. So they're really cool though. We saw one crossing the road, but I think it's quite rare to see them. So it was cool to see them. But we saw it through the bus window, so I literally had like a 1 second glance, but it was still cool. But yeah, we're just having a nice little wander around. And it's very nice. It's a very nice day, which is lovely. We thought it was going to rain, but it's not, so get in.
Checking where we are on this map.
Is it good? Marzipan. Milk. Marzipan milk chocolate. I'm handcuffed to this. Yeah. Yep. That's incredible.
Fine day.
That's so good.
$10, but because it's a bit broken, down to $6. Gosh.
Gosh, that's so good. Yeah, there was sweeties there. Yeah, that was.
Yeah.
Like £6.50 for a medium. Sorry.
yeah. That's quite spinny that. Yeah, probably give them a miss, eh?
I don't know. Let's walk along. We're just running an ice cream. And we're sharing one. And the flavours we got are banana chocolate chip and honey and macadamia. And they're both really good. We're touching darts. Good socialisation from David here.
I've spent 3 months with you every single day.
Main high street? Yeah, because I mean you can't talk to me.
But I don't want to be putting in big cabinets so it's going to take up room. We need shelter. Ice cream.
Okay. We've got probably about half an hour, 40 minutes left here before we need to head back and get the train. So yeah, I'm not sure what we're going to do, but we'll decide, figure it out. We've walked up and down most of the streets now and they're very pretty. It's kind of the view.
Hey guys.
We put up more postcards.
We're in Kuranda.
We have spoken to the vlog today, you know.
Got me. I just burped.
Yeah.
Burped out my Fanta.
Delightful. Yeah, we're
there's
in.
a drive-through bottle though. Mad. Show them that.
Show them. Oh. Now let me just
Show
turn.
the vlog. This is a literal bottle. It's literally
So rogue.
it's the shop only sells alcohol
Drive-through.
and it's a drive-through.
In what world does that make sense? They've so many massive signs everywhere where it's like, don't drink and drive, don't drink and drive. But you have a drive-through alcohol shop. Make it make sense.
It's crazy.
Make it make sense. You'd never see that in the UK. I'll tell you that for free. We just like drive-through coffee shops. And that's it. And car washes.
Drive-through coffee shops.
Yeah, and like
What?
McDonald's. Yeah, it's like a drive-through Starbucks or a drive-through Costa. You've not seen that?
Yeah. It's only really at service stations.
Yeah,
Oh.
but like they exist. Or we'll have like a drive-through
No, you spot on, yeah. No, the
Mackey's.
Mackey's and the KFC's, yeah.
fast food.
So you sort of understand it though, because that is fast food.
Yeah, exactly. That's the whole point.
The flipping...
Don't
so
need
they
fast alcohol.
they
do
don't sell alcohol in the supermarkets. They have special bottle shops, Bottle-O or Liquid...
Bottle-O.
Was it Liquorland? We call it Liquidland.
Oh, Liquorland, yeah, and then there's
Liquorland.
that Dan something.
Oh, Dan Murphy's, yeah.
We kept seeing them in Melbourne.
Yeah, they do adverts for them all the time.
But anyway.
Can't escape.
Crazy. We're getting on the train soon. So I'll save the charge of the GoPro for the
Oh,
train.
yeah.
Oh, nearly got run over. Oh,
Yeah. 5 more postcards.
oh yeah. Here we are. I was taking a video of the sign.
There you go. Influencers in the wild.
Wow. That's me. Oh, the sign's on this side too. We're going down. It's hot. Oh, has a train just come in? Oh, there's a train already there. Oh, cool. Here we are. Kuranda Railway Station. Railway.
Set it up anyway, just in case. Because I think there's other customers.
We're getting out.
don't mean me in front of that. Look at that. Videoing the train.
On the railway.
Cool. I love a train.
I was going to say you're such a train boy. The railway is taking us through the rainforest and we get to see loads of cool views, which is really cool. Some of the ones we saw on the Skyrail, but then different ones as well. So yeah. This is what it looks like.
Hydroelectric power station. The power of water flowing over Barren Falls was first harnessed.
There's a what? Stony Creek Falls. There it is. Stony Creek. I know. Look at the water. Oh yeah, it's definitely happening over there. Hey guys, look at the bags. It's 6 AM in Cairns and we decided to come and watch the sunset.
Sunrise.
The sunrise. It's early, but I think we are watching it from the wrong place because it's now light and we've not seen a lot. Have we? That looks pretty ill up there. Like that one looks very pretty. But yeah, it's definitely rising like over there somewhere.
Now is the only acceptable time for people to run. It's like it's way too hot in the evening.
Yeah, it's too hot in the evening, exactly.
And like
Like what we've learned about Australia, right, is everyone gets up like at 5 AM. Like we walked out of the door at like 5:45 in the morning expecting it to be like no one to be up, because in the UK literally there'd be nobody on the streets, and there's literally people in cafes having their breakfast, and like everyone's out for a run or on a walk. Like everyone.
Yeah.
Just because this is a nice temperature. Like in the next 2 hours it's gonna be absolutely boiling.
Yeah.
And in the evening it stays boiling until like just all evening basically.
The second the sun is up, it's beating down on you. It's like,
Yeah. So
apparently right now it's 25 degrees.
yeah, that's wild, isn't it?
And
Make it make sense.
by 9 AM it'll be 28.
Yeah. But the sun will be fully like in the sky then,
Yeah.
getting you. So yeah, we don't know what we're gonna do after this. We could get up and start our day, but
I don't think so.
it's a bit too early for us, I think. I'd like to get to that point though where I was able to get up early, but I'd have to start going to bed early because my late bedtimes won't correlate with a early get up. Look at the cloud over there, over the forest. What's that? There's something poking out of the water. What is that?
A shark.
It's a little fin, and you can't see it on the GoPro.
Oh, a shark. No.
Oh my god. What is that? It's coming towards us. This is going to be interesting. Good job we're not in the water. I don't know what that is. Is it a big fish? Hey guys, this is like the main seafront strip of Cairns that I just thought I'd show you on our last day in Australia. Can you believe it? We're gonna get copyrighted with that music if we're not careful. So yeah, this is like the main strip. I'll show you. A lot of places are closed, but they'll open later. But yeah, it's our last day in Australia, isn't it, David?
It is.
It is! Can't believe it, it's come around so quick. Last day.
The 11th of February.
Yeah.
The
So
Oscar
it is.
Piastri stuff.
Yeah.
And why not?
Yeah, the 11th of February, our last day here. Which I'm pretty sad about, to be fair. Because I really like it.
It's hot.
It's very hot, yeah.
It's
Had
hot
to
and
be.
we're going to a cold
We're going to
country.
cold New Zealand and it's boiling here. No! It's going to be an adjustment, especially from this humidity.
Yeah.
But excited for a new adventure, but yeah, still going to be sad to leave. There's the lagoon. I'll show it you a bit later when we go near it. Oh, we don't need to show the vlog my mug shot.
G'day vlog, this is Cairns still there, not left yet.
Need a week.
And this is the reef terminal.
How are you going? Is that quite good?
Hey, how you going?
Hi. How you going?
Hey.
Where are you going?
Yeah, this one's Peter
I
Griffin.
can't do the Australian accent.
Yeah.
There's heaps.
Heaps.
Heaps of fish in there.
Absolutely heaps of them.
How can you do it? Hey, how you doing?
Hey,
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 how you doing?
hey, hey. Hey, how are ya? All these fish in here, mate. There's so many. And we're just looking at the carnival Luminosa. This is Dundee's. Like Crocodile Dundee's. Waterfront dining, mate. The flavours of Australia. There you go.
Bit of seafood there. Want to see a bit of lobster?
Bit of trout.
Bit
Bit of salmon. Salmon trout.
what are them things we saw that the birds
Oh, the shrimps. Oh,
shrimp on the bed?
oh yeah. Another shrimp on the barbie, mate.
I've not met anyone. We've not met anyone that sounds like you. I don't know what accent you're doing, but we haven't met anyone that has that accent.
That's so not true.
No.
Everyone does, literally. There's not a person I've met on this trip that doesn't sound exactly like whatever I'm doing right now.
It's funny. I've got Asula.
Asula.
Guys, it's our last night in Australia. Oh, can you believe it? Can you believe it? We leave tomorrow. I'm sad. I'm sad to leave. I love Australia. But I am oh, there's a fly in here. But I am excited to go to New Zealand. I am excited. But it's gonna be cold. Oh. I won't miss the humidity of Cairns, to be fair, because like it's so humid here, but I can't believe that. Have I got something on my face, or is that my shadow of my nose? Thank you. You're on the vlog. David, how do you feel about the last night?
I don't know. Just look forward to getting to New Zealand.
He just wants to get to New Zealand.
Cool.
I can't believe it.
There's got a water bottle of clean, cold water.
Okay. Yeah. Basically. Oh, the shadows in here are a bit weird. Can't even see me there. I just can't believe that we're leaving Australia already. Like, it's been my dream to come to Australia for literally like my whole life, and we've been here for 3 months, and I've been and I've come and I've been to so many places, and I've loved it, and I've loved everywhere we've been, and now we're leaving, and it just feels a bit weird to like think that if this is what I dreamed of doing, and 3 months is already up. But it's lasted ages, like it really has lasted ages, but I just can't believe that like it's now time to leave Australia and move on to New Zealand. But I'm very excited about New Zealand, but yeah, I'm just reminiscing about how much of a nice time I've had in Australia, and hopefully, you know, I'll be back, because I love it here, and I think I'd definitely love to come back at some point, so I'm gonna say that now on the vlog. I'll be back. Definitely be back in Australia at some point in my life. This won't be the only time. It can't be. I like it too much, so yeah, but feeling very bittersweet, I would say. But yeah, excited about New Zealand, and to see my mother and father, of course. I've not seen them for 3 months, so I'm very excited to see them, because I have missed them a lot, and it'll be so nice to spend time together in New Zealand. But yeah, it's just a bit of a surreal feeling to be leaving Australia, but loved it.